From NBC5, this is the NBC5 News at 6.
Now, NBC5 investigates a seriously ill Schaumburg woman who tried to kill herself after she killed her severely disabled daughter, pled guilty today to involuntary manslaughter. It came after the state showed mercy in reducing the charge. NBC5 political editor Carol Marine's on the story. She's live outside Rolling Meadows Courthouse. Carol?
Allison and Rob, 56-year-old Bonnie Liltz will have to wait another 24 hours before learning what her sentence is. It was a year ago that she, fearing that she was dying and fearing that no one would be able to care for her disabled daughter, gave 28-year-old Courtney an overdose and one to herself. Bonnie Liltz survived, but Courtney did not. Originally charged with first-degree murder, prosecutors today agreed to drop that charge to involuntary manslaughter. In court, friends and family said Liltz, who has chronic, profound bowel issues and diarrhea as the result of ovarian cancer from when she was 19, could not survive in prison. On the night of May 27, 2015, Liltz panicked, her sister testified, fearing she was dying and fearing Courtney, who had cerebral palsy, would end up in a state institution. Bonnie Liltz wiped away tears as 9 witnesses said she was a loving, caring mother to a disabled child who'd been given up by her own birth mother as well as her first adopted parents. Eleanor Burge, who's known Bonnie Liltz since 1981, was among the friends who testified.
I don't think she's a harm to society. She's a wonderful person.
Society has failed.
Gloria Cheever also addressed the court and had strong words for a state that's cut benefits for the care of disabled children and adults.
Here we have a budget that's not ratified. Who's suffering? The ill, the elderly, the disabled?
Liltz left the courthouse surrounded by supporters, and she will spend another night waiting to hear her sentence, but walked away today knowing prosecutors lessened the charge, which could have sent her to prison for 30 years.
I think the state looked at the evidence, looked at the facts in this case, and ended up coming to a just result.
Attorney Thomas Glasgow asked each of the witnesses if they thought Liltz, given her profound physical ailments, could survive in prison. Everyone said no. He asked each of the witnesses if they believed she would be a menace to society if she was allowed to go on probation. Everyone said no. But the judge will decide, Joel Greenblatt, on a range somewhere between probation and 14 years. At the Rolling Meadows Courthouse, Carol Marine, NBC5 News. Rob?